We are going to make dishcloths today. So if this is your very first crochet project, try to be really patient with yourself. We're going to do a lot of different things. I'm going to explain everything nice and slow so you can kind of just keep on track with me. And we're going to make the whole project together. So we're going to need some cotton yarn. You can use any kind of cotton yarn. The brand doesn't really matter, but make sure that it is 100% cotton. This will ensure that it is durable. It won't fall apart while you actually use it. And most of them are machine washable. So make sure you have some cotton yarn. We will need some scissors, a crochet hook, and a darning needle. We won't need the darning needle and the scissors until the very end of the project. So we're going to set these aside. Now, to begin, so we are going to learn the very basics of crochet in this dishcloth. So what that means is we are going to learn how to do a foundation chain, how to single crochet, how to skip stitches, and how to fasten off. So it's going to be step by step, and we're going to do it all together at the same time. So hopefully you can follow along with me. Now, in the beginning, I just want you to be mindful that crocheting can be a little bit tricky, especially if this is your very first time, and that's okay. It's going to get easier and easier. The beginning of the project is typically the hardest. So it could be a little frustrating in the beginning, but the more that you do, it gets easier and easier and easier. So just try to be patient with yourself, and we are ready to go.